In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink in JOTFORM. First, log into your JOTFORM account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a list of all your forms. Find the form where you want to add the hyperlink, hover your mouse over it, and then click on Edit Form to access the form builder. To insert a hyperlink, you'll need to add a paragraph element. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on the Add Element button. Scroll through the available elements until you find the paragraph section. It's important to use this specific element because other fields like short text, long text, or headers do not support hyperlinks. Once you've found the paragraph element, drag and drop it onto the area of the form where you want the hyperlink to appear. Click inside the paragraph field to begin editing. Type the text you want to display to users. This could be a sentence, a call to action, or any label of your choice. If you want the entire text to become a hyperlink, highlight all of it. If not, you can just highlight a specific word or phrase. Now, in the toolbar that appears above the paragraph box, click on the chain link icon. This is the hyperlink tool. A small pop-up will appear where you can paste the URL you want the hyperlink to direct to. You can also choose whether the link opens in a new tab or in the same window. After entering the URL, click OK. If JOTFORM prompts you to add a proper prefix, just confirm and continue. Once you've added the link, it will appear in the paragraph box as clickable text. To preview the result, go to the Publish tab, copy your form's link, and open it in a new tab. Scroll down to the paragraph element you added. You'll see that the hyperlink appears exactly as you set it. When you click on it, it will redirect the user to the destination URL. This is how you can successfully add a hyperlink to a JOTFORM.